gentlemen, welcome to Zippos Circus.
I'd have to say it's probably Great Britain's most famous circus because it's a quality show every year, and we have this name, and I see all the regular faces coming in at every place. The circus is magical to a lot of people because we arrive, we're in a park. One day it's empty and the next day the circus is there. Whether you're 1 or 101, you're all looking at the same act with a different interpretation according to your age.
It was absolutely fantastic.
And it was just absolutely amazing.
This is my first time at the circus. I think it's great.
I liked the bit when the motorbike went round and round and round.
And the last thing with the bikes is just, how do they choreograph that? I mean, the thing is, if they get that wrong, I don't know. I just can't imagine it. It's mind-blowing. I loved it. I want to bring other people. I thought it was great.